Let me show you how to install the terminal block. First, open the cap, then insert the wires into the contact covered by gel. Next, close the cover and crimp it for connection. Then confirm that the wires are firmly fixed. And do the same installation on the other sides. By the way, the block, also known as QCS strip, is an insulation displacement connection termination system. The QCS system can be reopened without breaking the circuit for visual validation of the IDC connection. Finally, install the terminal block onto the back mount frame. It's finished. Thanks for your time.
The Apple, your partner in growth.